So at MVT, I got really fortunate because I have two great partners. Both of them are really smart, and so they came up with a solution for the trailers. So we were buying trailers from China directly, and then realized how inefficient they were. And so my partners designed really a better mousetrap. These trailers we have that have been out for over 3 years, we've never even really had to touch at all. So what they've really perfected is the power management system. Each one of our trailers really runs off of less power than a 30-watt light bulb. So we put the giant lithium-ion batteries in there, and they run for days, especially like even in New Jersey in the snow, when the solar panels are covered up, the battery life lasts for days and days. We have units that have been running nonstop for multiple years because that's what they designed. In one of our car lot customers, this is their overflow lot where they put their service department cars, where they put their trade-in cars, and their wholesale pieces. So as you can tell, when you look around the lot, there's no lights, there's no power out here. And before we started, this was a criminal shopping mall for cars. If you needed wheels, you came here and stole wheels. If you needed a tail light, you came here and stole a tail light. So this camera, as you can see, is one of our 360-degree units. So it's going to be our maximum kind of round coverage that it's going to give you. And so clearly we're at a car dealership, and you can look up and down this way, and you can look up and down this way. And this is how we protect this car dealership. They were spending a fortune in overnight security that was coming here to sleep, not doing a good job, and we were able to stop all of those problems with this installation and save the customer a fortune from live security guards versus what they're paying us for this solution. So the technology beat out the humankind of security. We deployed instantly one of our smaller units, takes up one parking place. We geofence the entire area, so if anybody comes into the area, we tell them they're being instantly recorded through the speaker up there. The blue lights represent an active deterrent, so people know that the unit is active and working. We've been able to deter crime literally at 100%. So it used to be the criminal shopping mall. Once a week they were having issues breaking in and stealing stuff, and we brought the unit out, and in coordination, as you'll see, our box camera solution, that people can't come up to the lot, they have to walk. And so we've controlled the ingress and egress with the cameras, and it's really solved a lot of problems for this dealership. This dealership and that dealership are sister dealerships, and so they had tremendous problems at the Hyundai dealership with them breaking in, stealing cars, stealing equipment off of cars, tires, wheels, even taillights and headlights. So we added the camera solution to Wolf Chase Hyundai first and eliminated their problems entirely. Well, in the meantime, after we created that, we moved the thieves over here. So now we've installed a complete solution all around the parking lot and service department here at Wolf Chase Genesis. So MVT's really, if I had to say as an integrator goes, we specialize in power, which gives us solutions and connectivity. So we can build products that are specific for what your use case is. So we can build you a trailer. If you're a pipeline company or a railroad, we can build a unit that runs off of solar power and Starlink connectivity. So you can put it in the middle of the desert and it'll run, and you'll have HD camera footage and visual access literally in the middle of nowhere. So if you have a substation or a pipeline substation that you need monitoring out in the middle of nowhere, give us a call. We'll build you a solution that runs completely wireless for those locations. Or if you're a utility here in Memphis that needs a substation monitored quickly and easily, we can put cameras out there, whether it be a trailer or be a box. Either way, whatever works for you, we can solve the problem.